Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to active, inactive column in product list view. Log into the backend. Go to Catalogs and Products. Now active and inactive list settings according to your preferences. As you can see, the changes are applying effectively as you active or inactive the list settings. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.